You're bidding on an Ammco drum and disc brake lathe combination with a nice cart stand, nice tooling. Everything is functional. Tooling has very little use on it. It has oxidation. It hasn't been used, but you can see by the tools nothing is gouged, nothing is worn. So it doesn't look like this school that it came from used it. They closed their shop program some time ago, and it's been sitting in their storage warehouse. It also, on this auction, comes with a safety shoe archer. Here's the gauges and this. Here's the unit. All of this is functional. This is 3 listings. We have one listing is for the drum lathe and disc lathe combination with the tooling. We have a second auction showing just this shoe archer model 7, I can't see it, where is it? Model 890. We have that's the second auction with just this item only. And then we have a third option where you could buy the whole shooting match. All of this will ship at any place in the world. You pay the freight. If you don't want the cart, you don't have to take the cart. We can throw the cart out for you. This is what it is. Nice unit. Very little use. This did not come out of some high volume brake shop. This came out of a school, and it's been sitting in their warehouse for a long time. Everything works. You can either buy, as I said before, the tooling and the disc drum lathe separate. You can buy the safety arc machine and its tooling only, or you can buy the whole combination. There's 3 different listings on eBay for this item or these items. Good luck bidding.